Okay, so here's our triangle. If you got this answer, it is totally wrong. If we take a look, we've got BD written twice. Our problem is there are 6 angles, but there are only 5 sides that need to be talked about. So one of the sides is shared by both the 38 degrees over here and the 79 degrees over here. So what should we do about it? Is BD the smallest side? Let's look at triangle BCD over here on the right. According to this, it says that BD is our largest side. But if we look at our picture, we said that BD was the very smallest side. So the way to fix this is our rule wants us to use only one triangle, and we have 2. So we are going to use one triangle at a time. If we want to order them from shortest to longest, let's start with what looks like the smallest triangle or the shortest side. So if we're back at triangle BCD, check out just those 3 angles. 44 is the smallest angle. And so we're going to start with the 44 degrees, and then we're going to move on to the 57 and see who's opposite that side. So first of all, let's get rid of these problems. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to start with triangle BCD. Smallest side is going to be opposite the 44, and that is going to be BC. Next, we're going to have CD, and lastly, BD is the biggest side in that first triangle. Okay, so now let's look at the bigger triangle, triangle BAD. And what comes next is we have a 38-degree angle, so the smallest side in that triangle is BD. Next, we have 59 degrees, giving us AB, and finally, 83 degrees, giving us the largest side, AD. As you can see, BD here is written twice. So what we're going to do is we're going to consolidate our triangles. And if we want to write them in order from smallest to biggest, we're going to cruise over and combine it. The biggest side in the small triangle is BD, and the smallest side in the next triangle. So here's triangle 1 on the right, and here's triangle 2 on the left. And that's how you want to order it. Do it one step at a time. Try the next 2 problems.